The Copart Bentley has arrived. It's a 2008 Flying Spur Morgan Edition. As you can see, it got some light damage in the front, basically bumper damage. The front suspension has lowered. It wasn't lowered when it was on a Copart lot in California, but it's lowered, so that got to be repaired. Hopefully it's just something like some shocks or something, or maybe just some air, because I believe there's an air suspension on it. The interior is beautiful. I got to detail it, clean it up, put my magic to it. But the interior is in beautiful condition. This is the bumper that got damaged from the front right here.
Oh, it's got that present. We gotta get that other one.
And this is where the most damage is at is in the back.
The 2 doors is the other one.
It got hit in the back. It's not that bad.
The doors is the other problem.
Pretty much just need a trunk lid,
on the other one,
some fender work, and as you can see, the back glass is broke. This is going to be an expensive fix. The back glass.
That car after that.
And like I said, the beautiful Morgan Edition interior. Got the lamb wool rugs in it. Yeah, it's a 2008. It only has 25,000 miles on it. You see, they put the mileage right here on the window. 25,718 miles on it. Yep. Copart build. Stay tuned.